for a budget gaming laptop, the Acer Nitro 5 is worth a look in terms of design and performance. Powered by 2 GHz AMD Ryzen 5 2500U processor. This laptop allows you to play AAA-rated games without interruption. The laptop comes with pre-installed Windows 10 Home, making it ready to use. This gaming laptop features 8GB DDR4 RAM, which is upgradable to 32GB. The AMD Radeon RX 560X 4GB graphics card makes it ideal for heavy gaming and graphics editing. The laptop has a 1TB HDD storage, with which you can store all your photos and videos. The access speed is ideal for regular use. The lithium-ion battery which powers this laptop has a 37 Wh capacity and average battery life of up to 7 hours on a single charge. This Acer laptop has a large 15.6-inch screen that offers rich colors and detailed images, making it suitable for immersive gaming. The IPS display provides wide viewing angles for comfortable gameplay. The Dolby Audio Premium sound system provides a powerful sound with a wider bass range and surround sound. This jet black laptop features crimson red highlights and matching keyboard lighting to play under low light conditions. The laptop comes with multiple ports such as 2 USB 2.0 ports, 1 USB 3.0, 1 USB 3.1 Type-C Gen 1 port, 1 HDMI and a 4-in-1 card reader. Inside the box, you will get an Acer Nitro Ryzen 5 15.6-inch gaming FHD laptop, 1 lithium-ion battery, AC adapter, user guide, manuals. Acer Nitro Ryzen 5 15.6-inch gaming FHD laptop comes with standard brand warranty. You can also avail EMI and exchange options for this gaming laptop. You can also play online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.